Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the English Word Podcast. We are so happy you are here with us again.
Yes. Hi, guys. Hello, hello. Today's lesson is warm, cozy, fun, even if the weather is cold.
Because today we are talking about winter holidays.
And also going on a winter vacation. How to talk about your plans. How to speak simple English about winter, travel, and feelings.
So relax, make some tea or hot chocolate, and learn English with us in a very natural way.
Let's start our winter journey.
Jake, it is so cold today. I almost froze when I walked to the studio.
Same here. I think winter is really here now. My hands were shaking. My ears were crying.
Your ears don't cry.
They cry in winter. They cry ice.
Okay. Your ears cry ice. But yes, the weather is super cold. You know, cold weather always makes me think about winter holidays.
Me too. Cold air, plus warm clothes, plus lights in the street. It feels like vacation season.
So today, we want to help you talk about your winter holidays in English, and also how to say your vacation plans.
Yes. For example, I'm going on vacation. We're planning a winter trip. I want to visit a snowy place. I'm staying home this winter.
We will show you all of these phrases inside a conversation, so you hear them naturally.
Like always, simple English, very beginner-friendly.
So, Jake, what are your winter holiday plans?
I have a few ideas. I want to visit my family first, then maybe take a small trip. Someplace warm, someplace sunny, someplace where my ears do not cry ice.
So, you want to escape winter?
A little bit, yes. What about you, Emma? What are your winter plans?
Actually, I want the opposite. I want snow. Soft snow. White snow. Snow that sounds like crunch, crunch when you walk.
Ah, cozy winter.
Yes, I want to go to a small cabin with a fireplace, make hot tea, watch movies, read a book under a warm blanket. Just peaceful winter time.
That sounds perfect. A winter dream.
Do you like winter activities?
Some. I like skiing, even though I fall a lot.
A lot.
Hey, that's true. But one day, I will not fall. Maybe one day.
I like ice skating, but I go very slowly, like a baby penguin.
Aw, a cute penguin.
A penguin that is scared to fall.
Winter activities are fun because they make you feel alive. Cold air, warm breath, fast movements.
Yes, but also tired. I need hot chocolate after.
Same. Hot chocolate is part of winter vacation vocabulary. We should teach that.
Okay, students, repeat after us. These short sentences will help you feel confident.
Hot chocolate. Warm blanket. Winter jacket. Snow boots. Holiday lights. Family dinner. Winter trip. Cozy cabin. Skiing. Ice skating.
Good job!
Let's practice simple English for talking about winter vacation plans.
Yes. Listen to some examples.
I'm going to visit my family this winter. I'm planning to travel next month. I might go to a warm place. I'm thinking about staying home. We're going on a short trip. We're planning a winter getaway.
We use going to, planning to, might, and thinking about. These are simple and natural.
And you can practice with us.
Jake, tell me more about your plan. Where do you want to go?
Okay. I think I want to go to Florida or maybe Mexico. Somewhere warm. I want beaches, sunlight, and fruit juice.
Ah, so your winter holiday is a summer holiday.
Exactly. I want to sit near the ocean and relax. No snow. No heavy jacket. Just warm weather.
That sounds nice. Mine is the opposite. I want a cold place. Maybe Colorado. Maybe Canada.
Canada? Do you want to freeze?
No. I want to experience the winter magic. Snow outside, warm inside, lights on the windows, a little quiet time.
I understand. That feeling is beautiful. Like the world is slow, soft, peaceful.
Exactly.
Okay, let's help students with important vocabulary. How to talk about packing for a winter trip.
Yes. For example, I need to pack my winter clothes. I'm taking gloves and a scarf. I have to bring my warm jacket. I'm packing my snow boots. I'm bringing a camera for winter photos.
And for a warm vacation like mine, I'm packing shorts. I'm taking sunglasses. I'm bringing sunscreen. I need to pack light clothes.
See, easy. Simple, beginner English. You can use these sentences anywhere.
Jake, do you have a favorite winter memory?
Yes. I remember one year. I was a child, maybe 7 or 8, and it snowed all night. In the morning, everything was white. Trees, cars, houses, like a winter movie.
Nah.
My dad made me a big cup of hot chocolate. My mom wrapped me in a huge scarf, and we went outside and played in the snow. We made a snowman with a funny face. It was simple, but very special.
That's beautiful. Winter can feel like a warm hug sometimes.
Yes, even when the weather is cold.
My favorite winter memory is also from childhood. We used to go to my grandmother's house, the whole family together. Big dinner, old songs, warm lights. We laughed a lot. Those holidays felt like magic.
Winter brings feelings, soft, emotional, calm.
Okay, students, now repeat after us. These short sentences will help you feel confident.
I'm going on a winter vacation. I'm staying home this winter. I'm planning a trip. I might travel with my family. I want to relax during the holidays. I'm excited for winter break. I like snowy places. I like warm places. I love winter holidays.
Great job. Keep practicing.
Winter holidays are not only about travel. They are about rest, family, warm feelings, and new memories.
And today, you learned how to talk about all of that in English. Simple, natural, easy English.
We hope you feel warm inside, even if the weather is cold outside.
Thank you for listening to the English Word Podcast. We love spending this time with you.
Stay warm, stay happy, and keep practicing English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.